very good morning to all of you. Let us start from where we had left in the last term. Last term we have come across the fact that three main characters are involved in this scene, that is Stefano, Trinculo and Caliban. And then we have come across the fact that Stefano, who was drunk, he offered the wine to Caliban, and Caliban is now drunk so much that he is ready to be Stefano's slave. He is ready to be Stefano's slave, and he has told Stefano that he will be his slave and he will serve him. He will serve him and he will also tell him the ways how he would be able to plot against Prospero and kill him and acquire this kingdom. Now let us see. Trinculo's speech, "Thou liest, more ignorant monster. I am in case to Justil, a constable." Now write down the meaning of the word case. In case means valiant enough. Justil means assault. Now in the previous speech, Caliban has said to Stefano that I will be your master and I will lick your shoe. But I am telling you that I am not going to serve this man, that is Trinculo, because he is not brave enough. Then in reply to this, Trinculo says that you are lying. I am very brave. I am brave enough. I am so brave that I can even assault a constable. I can even beat a constable. Why thou debosed fish, thou was there even a man, a coward, that had drank so much sack as I today? Wilt thou tell a monstrous lie, but being half a fish and half a monster? He is saying that why are you thinking now? Trinculo is saying that why are you saying that I am a coward? Have you ever heard or seen any coward man drink so much wine as I have drunk today? If you have not seen this, then how can you call me a coward? I am not at all a coward. Wilt thou tell a monstrous lie? Since you are a monster, you are telling a lie which is also monstrous, which is very huge. That is, you are calling me a coward, and I am not a coward. Being but half a fish and half a monster, are you half a fish and half a monster? That is why you are telling such a lie. Caliban, lo, he mocks me. Wilt thou let him, my lord? Now Caliban is now addressing to Stefano, and he is saying that this man Trinculo is laughing at me. He is making fun of me. Will thou let him, my lord, means will you allow him to treat me like this? Will you give him so much liberty that he will treat me like this? Trinculo, quoth he, that a monster should be a natural. Natural over here means a fool or an idiot. Lord, quoth he means, oh Lord, he is addressing. Now he is saying that, oh Lord, he is addressing to this man as, oh my God, he is actually passing a satire. Trinculo is passing a satire. And he is saying that, oh my God, this man is referring to Stefano as Lord, as a master. And then he is saying that he is an idiot because That is why he is doing such an act where he is considering Stefano as a master. Caliban, Lolo again, bite him to death, I prithee. Caliban is saying, look, sir, he has started ridiculing me again. Lolo again means started ridiculing me again, started making fun of me again. I request you to kill him by biting him. I request you to kill him by biting him. Stefano, Trinculo, keep a good tongue in your head. Keep a good tongue in your head means you should speak politely. You should learn to speak politely. Now Stefano is telling Trinculo that you should not be too much arrogant. Instead, you should learn to speak politely. If you prove a mutineer the next tree, the poor monster's my subject, and he shall not suffer indignity. Now he is telling Trinculo that if you prove to be a mutineer means rebellion. Mutineer means rebellion. If you prove to be a rebellion, if you turn a rebellion, I will hang the next tree. The next tree means I will hang you on the next tree. If you prove to be a mutineer, if you rebel against my authority, against someone who is my subject, then I will hang you upon the next tree. And then he is saying, the poor master, my subject, and he shall not suffer indignity. The poor monster, that is Caliban, he is referring to Caliban, and he is saying that this poor monster, Caliban, is my subject, is my slave, and I will not tolerate any sort of indignity, insult to him. Caliban, I thank my noble lord, wilt thou be pleased to hearken once again to the suit I made to thee. Now, Caliban is saying that I am very thankful to you, my humble lord. I am very much thankful because you have made Trinculo realize that I should not be insulted because I am your slave. Then he says that you are my noble lord, and I thank you for what you have done for me. And will it make you happy to listen to the proposal, to listen to the petition? Suit means petition that I made in front of you, the proposal that I had put in front of you. Will you be pleased? Will you be happy to listen to it again? Stefano, marry will I, kneel and repeat. I will stand, and so shall Trinculo. Now he is saying, Stefano is saying that Stefano is saying that I am Mary over here means Virgin Mary. He is saying that I swear by Virgin Mary, I take oath by Virgin Mary that I will love to listen, but now this time when you will tell me, you should kneel down in my foot, and then you should speak while I will stand, and so shall Trinculo, that is Trinculo will also stand. Enter Ariel invisible. Now Ariel, who is an airy spirit and who is under Prospero's control, he enters. Caliban, as I told thee before, I am a subject to a tyrant, sorcerer, that by his cunning had cheated me of the island. Now he is telling Stefano, now Caliban is telling that as I told you earlier about my past, as I had told you that the person whom I serve, that the person to whom I act as a servant is a tyrant, is a cruel person, and he is a magician, but he is very cruel person, and he is very cunning by nature. He has cheated me, he has cheated on me, and he has taken the island away from me. Ariel, in Trinculo's voice. thou liest. Ariel, who has now come here and he is listening to their conversation, says to what Caliban has just said, replies to it and says that thou liest. That means that you are lying. Caliban, thou liest, thou jesting monkey thou. Now Caliban is saying that you yourself was lying, you mocking monkey, you are lying. I with my valiant master would destroy thee. I do not lie. He is saying that I wish that my valiant master, that is my brave master, that is Stephano, will destroy you, shall destroy you, because I am not lying. I am not telling a lie, and you are saying that I am telling a lie. That is why I am saying that my valiant master, that my brave master, Stephano, shall destroy you. Stephano, Trinculo, if you trouble him any more in stale by his hand, I will supplant some of your teeth. Now Stephano is addressing to Trinculo, and Stephano is saying that if you interrupt him any more in telling his story, that if you make him pause, if you make him stop at any place again while he is telling his story, then I will supplant you. I swear by this hand that I will supplant your teeth, means I will knock off your teeth. I will give you a punch on your face so that your teeth gets knocked off. Trinculo, why? I said nothing. Trinculo is saying that why you will do this, why you will break my teeth. I have not done anything. This he is saying because Ariel was speaking in Trinculo's voice, and Ariel was speaking in Trinculo's voice, and they think that it was Trinculo who was actually speaking. That is why they say, that is why Stephano is saying that I will break your teeth, and to that Trinculo says that why I did not say anything, I have not spoken anything. Stephano, mum then and no more. Proceed. Mum then means then silence and do not talk anymore. Then keep silence and do not talk anymore. And then he says to Stephano, he says that you proceed, you move forward in your story. Caliban, I say by sorcery he got this eyes. Now he's saying, I say by sorcery means I say by magic, by his magical power. I am telling you that with the help of his magical powers, he acquired this island. He got this island. From me he got it, if thy greatness will revenge it on him, for I know thou darest, but this thing dare not. He is saying that now Caliban is saying that he had acquired this island from me, and now I know that you can take this island back from him, because I know that you are courageous enough, you are brave enough to do so, but this creature, that is Trinculo, has no courage at all to perform this act. Stephano, thou most certain. Thou most certain means that you are very true. Whatever you are speaking is actually a truth. Caliban, thou shalt be lord of it, and I will serve thee. Now Caliban is saying that you will be the master of this island, and I will be your servant. You will be the master of this island, this place, and I will be your servant. Stephano, how shall this be compassed? How shall this be managed? How shall this be done? The plan that you have in your mind, how it shall be implemented. Canst thou bring me to the party? Can you take me to the man? Can you take me to the man from whom you want me to take revenge? Caliban, yea, my lord, I will yield him thee asleep, where thou mayest knock a nail into his head. Now he is saying that Caliban is saying that yes, of course, course, my lord, I will take you to that man when he is asleep. When he will go to sleep, when he will fall asleep, then I will take you to him, and then when he is asleep, you can hit him in his head. Just like a person nails something in someone's head, just then you can hit him in his head when he is asleep. Ariel, thou liest, thou canst not. Now Ariel has entered, as we all know, and previously he was speaking in Trinculo's voice. Again he is speaking in Trinculo's voice, and he is saying, you are again telling a lie. You cannot do so. You are again telling a lie, and this is not possible. You will not be able to do so. Caliban, what a petite ninny is this? What a petite ninny is this? Petite ninnies, write down the meaning. Petite ninnies. Petite ninny is this. Sorry, not petite, it is peat. Peat, P-I-E-T, peat. What a petite ninnies is this? Write down the meaning. Petite ninny means idiot in multicolored dress. What an idiot in multicolored dress is he. Why in multicolored dress? Because we have read before starting of the scene that Trinculo is a jester, that is, he is a clown. That is why it is said that he was wearing a multicolored dress. What a petite ninny is it? What a petite ninny is this? What an idiot in multicolored dress is he. Thou scurvy patch, thou wrecked fool. Scurvy patch means thou wrecked fool. I do beseech thy greatness, give him blows. Now he is requesting to Stephano that I request you, my greatness, my lord, that give him blows, give him punches. And take his bottle from him, and take the bottle of wine that he is having with him away from him. When that is gone, he shall drink not but brine. And when you have taken the bottle away from him, he will not be able to drink wine, but he will be able to drink salt water only then. For I will not show him where the quick freshness are, for he will be left with no option but to drink the salt water from the sea, because I will not show him where the fresh springs are here in this part of the island. Stephano, Trinculo run into no further danger. Interrupt the monster one word further, and by this hand I will turn my mercy out of doors and make a stockfish of thee. Now he is saying, now Stephano is warning Trinculo. He is saying that Trinculo, I am warning you that you should not interrupt when this monster is telling his story. When this monster is telling about himself, then you should not interrupt and you should not speak a single word. If you do so, then what I am going to do is I am going to take the bottle away and I am going to give you blows, and I will turn you out of this place, and you will be like a stockfish in the sea. And then I will have no mercy upon you, and I will give you blows. Trinculo, why? What did I? I did nothing. I will go further off. Now he's saying, Trinculo is saying that I want to know the reason why I will be getting punches from you. I want to know the reason why you will turn me out of this place, because I have not done nothing. But since you are saying, I will go further away from you. Stephano, didst thou not say he lied? Stephano, did you not say? Stephano is inquiring from Trinculo. He's saying that did you not say that he is lying? Ariel, in Trinculo's voice, thou liest. Now again Ariel has, as we all know, has entered and is invisible. So again Ariel is speaking, and Ariel is saying that thou liest. That is, you are lying. Stephano, do I so? Stephano is saying, am I lying? Take thou that. Take thou that means, now if you are saying that I am lying, now you take this. Take this means he starts hitting Trinculo. He starts giving Trinculo blows. As you like this, because I am telling you not to speak since you are speaking, so I am giving you blows because I think that you like this only. You like getting blows only. Give me the lie another time. Give me the lie means come closer to me another time so that I can give you more blows. Trinculo, I did not give the lie out of your wit and hearing too. Trinculo is saying that I did not say that you lie. I did not give the lie means I did not say that you are lying. It was not me who had spoken and said that you are lying. Out of your wits means I think you have not only lost your wits but also lost your senses of hearing too. Now he is saying, Trinculo is saying that I think that you have not only lost your wits but your senses too. You don't have any senses at all because I have not spoken anything. That is why Trinculo is saying. And who was speaking? Ariel was speaking in Trinculo's voice that has made Stefano and Caliban believe that it was Trinculo only he was speaking and who was calling them liar every now and then. A plague of your bottle, this can sack and drinking too. A murrain on your monster. Murrain means plague. A plague upon your bottle means this might result. Cursing the wine that he is drinking, he is saying that may the disease of plague hit your bottle and even may it even hit your monster, that is Caliban, and the devil take your fingers, and the devil who is there in this part of the island may come and take away your fingers. Now we will stop here, children. We will just again continue in the next class. Thank you so much.